Hi, I'm Keith Bledsoe, and I'm the owner here at Smoky Mountain Traders. I personally go out and buy the best cars on the market for you, our customer. Please give us a call with any questions you may have.
Hey everybody, it's Devin with Smoky Mountain Traders. I hope you're having a great day. Today we're going to be taking a closer look at this 1970 Ford Mach 1. We'll get you under the hood, around the outside, and on the inside of it. If you've got any questions, you can give us a call at 865-988-8088, or you can send us an email to sales@smtclassics.com. Now if you want to come on up and take a closer look, we'll get on around the outside of it. Now you can see that this car is covered in the lime metallic green with the white stripes to accent. Now this is the color scheme that this car comes with from the factory. Now as you come on around, you'll notice that this car is done the lime metallic green that's accented by the white stripe. This is the factory color for this car, and it's been redone in base coat clear coat. Now when I open up, you can come on up and take a look on the inside if you'd like. As you can see, it's done in the medium green, which is the factory option as well. You've got bucket seats and console with a 4-speed shifter and the wood grain accent. Now looking at the dash, you'll notice you've got wood grain accents around the gauges and on the passenger side around the clock. Now the dash pad on this car appears to have been replaced and doesn't show any signs of cracks or splits and is in phenomenal condition. Now as you take a closer look at the seats, you'll see that they appear to have been replaced when the restoration was done as well. You'll also notice that the lights are working in the door panel and the cell panels, and that the headliner looks excellent as well. Now that we've been on the inside, we'll continue on around the outside. As you look down the driver's side, you'll notice that the body is straight as an arrow. They've done an excellent job during the restoration of making sure that they paid attention to the little details. You can see you've had the bumpers replaced, all the trim around the back looks replaced, as well as the Mach 1 emblem. One of the killer things about this Mach 1 is the stance on it. You've got a set of 15-inch Legendary wheels with the Firestone wide oval tires. Now this car has a beautiful finish on it. It was restored in base coat clear coat, which allowed it to be buffed and polished to this slick finish that you see here today. When this restoration was done, they made sure to keep just as much eye for detail under the hood as they did for the outside. Now as I open it up, you'll notice you've got the 351 engine, but it's also been upgraded with vintage AC, and you've got power steering. Everything has an awesome detail, and even the firewall is standing tall. Now that we've been around the outside, on the inside, and under the hood of this Mach 1, I'll get it pulled around there so that way we can take a closer look at the bottom. Remember, if you've got any questions, you can give us a call at 865-988-8088, or you can send us an email to sales@smtclassics. Now let's get it around there, get it up on the lift, that way we can get it out on the road for you. As you can see, this is not your average Mustang. This car has had a gorgeous rotisserie restoration that leaves you with no questions about the quality of work. It starts with the floors being rock solid and done in the body color. Now under the front, you'll notice that all the front end bushings are excellent, and that the 351 engine is mated to the 4-speed manual trans. All the brake and fuel lines appear to be replaced as well. Now out back, you can see that it has a 9-inch rear end that comes with the 300 gears. You'll also notice that it has a stock style exhaust system. Now let's get this Mustang down so you can see it on the road.
Thanks for visiting us at SmokyMountainTraders.com. If you're ever in East Tennessee, stop by and check us out.